Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate how to insert records into the MySQL database table using Python programming language. Initially, I will import mysql.connector package. Then I will declare one variable mycon. In this To this variable mycon, I will assign the connection properties. To do that, I am supposed to invoke connect function which is present in mysql.connector package. So here with the help of mysql connector package, I will invoke connect function. In this connect function, I am supposed to pass 4 arguments. First argument, I need to mention here host name, and here my host name is localhost. Then my second argument is username, that is the authentication which is required to connect to the MySQL database, and here I have set root as a username for the MySQL database. Then third argument, I need to mention password. In MySQL database, for the connection purpose, I haven't set any kind of password. Hence, I shall leave this field blank. And fourth argument is I am supposed to mention my database name. My database name is test. Later on, I will declare another variable cursor. I will assign cursor function and their properties to this cur variable. With the help of mycon variable, I will invoke cursor function and I will assign its properties to the cur variable. So basically, what is cursor? Cursor is a temporary memory or temporary workstation. It is allocated by the database server at the time of performing data manipulation language operations on the table by the user. So here I am going to use insert command, which is DML command, and for that purpose I am supposed to take the use of cursor. There are two types of cursor, implicit cursor and explicit cursor. Implicit cursor, which is a default cursor of SQL Server, and it is used when I have to perform DML command, that are insert, update or delete, and explicit cursor are used when I am supposed to fetch the records from the database in a row by row manner. Then later on I will declare SQL variable, and here I will assign one insert query to the SQL variable. In MySQL database, I have created one test database, and I have already created one employee table, and I am going to insert 4 records into the employee table. So here I will write SQL query, that is insert into table name, and I have created employee table name in test database values. I am supposed to insert 4 records into the employee table. So for that purpose I will write here %s format specifier 4 times. So this is my SQL query, and the values that I am going to insert into the employee table that values I will declare in the tuple data structure. Here in tuple data structure I will insert employee ID, which is 111. Then second argument is employee name XYZ. Then third record that I want to insert into the employee table is employee salary. Suppose employee salary is 4,000, and the last value that I want to insert into the employee table is city name. For example, here I will mention Mumbai as a city. So these 4 values, that is employee ID, employee name, employee salary and employee city, as a single row I am going to insert into the employee table with the help of tuple data structure. Then here in the try block, with the help of cursor variable, I will call execute function. In this execute function I will pass 2 arguments. My first argument is my SQL query, which I have assigned in SQL variable, and my second argument is val variable, where with the help of tuple I have assigned some values that I want to insert into the employee table. Then in next line, with the help of myCon variable, I will invoke commit function. This commit is required to store the records into the employee table and to perform whatever the changes into the table in a permanent manner. Then in except block, with the help of myCon variable, I will invoke here rollback function. This rollback function is required. Suppose somehow the database connection is got failed. So if I want to undo the changes, means whatever the changes that I have created into the table, suppose that I want to take back, or suppose if I want to undo the changes, then with the help of rollback function I can do that. And with the help of commit function I can make the changes into the database table permanently. Then here I will call print function, and in print function I will print the record number. So to do that, again I will take the help of cursor variable and I will call row count object. This row count object return how many rows I have inserted into the employee table. Here again, using comma separator operator, I will pass one string argument record inserted. And at last I will close the database connection using close function. So to execute this program, I will run this Python file. So I have run this Python file. The program has executed successfully and I have received one message over here, that is one record inserted. And to see the output, I will open employee table which is present in test database. So this is test database and this is employee table. I will simply click on that. Here you can see that employee ID, that is 111, employee name XYZ, and 4000 salary, city name is Mumbai. So this row has been inserted into the employee table. So this is a program. In this way you can insert the records into your MySQL database table using Python programming. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you really like this video, then please like, comment on this video, share this video and hit the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. Have a nice day.